YouTubers and Beybladers, I'm going to see how long a jackhammer bay can stay up. It's Storm Pegasus. It's probably not going to stay up that long, but yeah.